is a Paul Harris Fellow Award given to Rotarian Danny Albajeso for his contribution to the Rotary Foundation. And I'm going to read this. Sabi, the Rotary Foundation of Rotary International, Danny Boris Albajeso is hereby named a Paul Harris Fellow in appreciation of tangible and significant assistance given for the furtherance of better understanding and friendly relations among peoples of the world. Signed by K.R. Ravindran, the Chair of the Rotary Foundation Trustee, and Holger Nak, the President of Rotary International. Congratulations!
Yay!
And aside from the certificate, there's also a pin. So I'm going to pin this one. Okay, so here's the pin for a Paul Harris Fellow. Yes, that means to say he contributed $1,000 to the foundation for the for those who needs help, especially in Africa, the children. Yes.
Yeah.